The basic sequential algorithmic scheme, BSAS, is a very basic clustering algorithm that is easy to understand. In the basic form, vectors are presented only once and the number of clusters is not known a priori. The idea is to assign every newly presented vector to an existing cluster or create a new cluster for the sample, depending on the distance to the already defined clusters. And algorithm, as can be seen, the algorithm is simple but still quite efficient. Different choices for the distance function lead to different results, and unfortunately the order in which the samples are presented can also have a great effect to the final result. This might be wanted under some circumstances, but when dealing with limited resources a limited queue is usually chosen. Also, BSAS can be used with a similarity function simply by replacing the min function with max. There exists a modification to BSAS called modified BSAS, MSAS, which runs twice through the samples. It overcomes the drawback that a final cluster for a single sample is decided before all the clusters have been created. The first phase of the algorithm creates the clusters, just like 2B in BSAS, and assigns only a single sample to each cluster. Then the second phase runs through the remaining samples and classifies them to the created clusters, step 2C in BSAS.